everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have to start a new job. The job is here outside, will be the deck, and I'm very happy. It's beautiful weather and I'm very close to the ocean. There and a beautiful place in this area. And the job is I have to replace, to take out these tiles and to clean this jack, and I have to do the waterproof map elastic with the isolastic, and will be to put back the tiles after the waterproof. This job is in 3 steps. One step will be very easy to take off the tiles. The second step will be very easy to do the waterproof, and the third one will be a little bit hard to put back, because I need to use the level to put these tiles on this deck. Sit back and get relaxed watching my video, and I leave you to see what I have to do today and tomorrow. Enjoy, guys. It's easy, but it's not easy. I want to get more confidence with you guys. I want to learn more, and I want to be happy with who watch my videos. I love you guys. I put this tiles here. I think it's a lot, it's very heavy, but downstairs they have the walls, which one there's not any problem for all of this amount. For the deck, like that, can't crack or scratch. The waterproof will be very soft. This soundproofing. Different size will be easy for me to put back. The first step of this job is done. Now we have to start the second step, doing the waterproof, and let's go doing this. For this step I have to use these materials, have to be mixed at the same time together with the mixer, and I have to use the roller to be nice, very isolastic, matte elastic for the waterproof. Okay, let's go to do this waterproof. We have to start with this edge. Everyone, today is the second day and will be the last day of the job. You can see what I did yesterday, the waterproof. Looking very nice, the job. Time to carry on with the third step to put back the tile stone. Let's do this job. Someone is too high, someone is smaller, different size. I have to use for this fold of this deck. Not easy, but I can do it. finally guys, the job is done. Very amazing result, and see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you.